Hello everyone, Tom here from Smartland, and today we're going to be touring our latest turnkey investment. This property is fantastic. It's located at 483 Campers Drive in Eastlake, Ohio. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 full bath. Everything in this property is brand new. It has all new flooring throughout, new light fixtures in every room, a brand new kitchen, a remodeled bathroom, a full 2-car garage. The market value on this one is $114,000. We also think it's going to rent for about $11.20 a month. This property is conveniently located right near the lake. Also, it's just about 1 street away from the brand new high school that's currently being built. Come on, let's go take a look at the rest of this property. So in here we have the fully renovated kitchen. It has it all. We have brand new white shaker cabinets, new countertops, a brand new sink with garbage disposal, all new stainless steel appliances, and there's also an eat-in area as well.